What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another trading system that can help you in your trading journey. But before we start, as usual, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. Also, there's a link down below in the description box for you to join our free Telegram channel. Right. So today going to talk about this trading system. So this one works for all volatility indices and it works for all boom and crash, right? So it's a very simple concept that we have right here. I've been testing it out for about a week now and it's been performing quite well. So right now I'm looking at V25 1S, and I just want to point out a few things before we get deep into this system. First of all, this system provides you with support and resistance, which is one of the few things that you get from most trading indicators. They fail to identify a proper support and a proper resistance. So at least with this one, we get a proper support and a proper resistance, which means that there is a little bit of some price action done by these systems. As you can see here, we got a proper resistance zone, which was very much correct. Why? Because we see that price was bouncing at this region quite a number of times, then it eventually fell. It means it was failing, it was resisting this point, right? And then it wrote here verified resistance, right? Also for our support, let me look for where we're getting some support. Was it V20? Okay, so for this is V20 V50 1S, we managed to get proper support zone, which is also proven, right? And what you also get from this system, as you can see, are indications of where there is a weak support zone or a weak resistance zone or an unproven or an untested resistance zone, right? So in this case, we got an untested resistance zone. Why? Because we only had one single peak at this point, right? But price never came back again to this point, so it's still untested. It will become tested if we see a shoot in price and then it hits here and then price drops again and then turns to verified resistance, right? So you could see that from this system we're actually getting valid price action habits. I know there are a lot of people that are not interested in indicators, then maybe this video is not for you, but this one seems to be doing some sensible things, right? So those are some of the things that I wanted to point out, which are very necessary for which are very important for an indicator. And one of the things that I have to quickly clarify is that it repents. So from the testing that I've been doing, it repents. But the good thing is, or where we could take advantage of it, is this system uses a 3 confirmation strategy. So even though it repents, you are not going to suffer. Why? Because you're going to have 3 confirmations before you enter into a particular trade, right? So maybe these arrows repaint, right? But because it's a 3 confirmation system, you are protected. Your capital is a little bit protected, right? Because you still have, you wait for 3 confirmations. I'm not saying it's 100% accurate, but I'm saying you get the statistical edge, obviously, from trading using this strategy, right? So let's take an example for a trade that one can take. I didn't want to use this example here, but okay, let me use this example here. What you see right here is a triple confirmation, right? It's a triple confirmation. Why? Because number one, you get this arrow indicating that you should enter into a buy trade. That's the first confirmation. The second confirmation are these dots below our candlesticks, right? And then the third is the verified support that we have right here. So 1, 2, 3 confirmations before you can actually enter into a buy trade, right? And that's how it works. I'm using the 15-minute time frame, and you can see it went all the way up after this triple confirmation, right? Okay, the same happens if you are to enter a sell trade. Let me look for where we got a nice sell setup. And okay, at this point there were sell confirmations, but here is why I was saying it's a good strategy. It was an untested resistance. Basically, it's an unproven resistance, right? So you basically had 2 confirmations and not 3, and that's why you're seeing these short sells, although they are accurate, but you're not getting those proper long trades, right? Because it was untested. Basically, it was unproven. But at this point, where we had a proven resistance, a proven support, you will see that price actually moved all the way up, right? I'm going to show you some results that I have for this system. It's well backed up. I was looking for a confirmed sell setup, but I'm failing to get one. Maybe let me look at V75. If we had confirmed, okay, right. On V75, we had a confirmed sell setup. Number 1, we had our red arrow indicating that we're going down. Number 2, we had our dots above the candlesticks indicating a sell. These are parabolic dots. And then with a verified resistance. So this move was quite expected because we had a triple confirmation on it. We had a triple confirmation on it, right? So take a look at some of the trades that I got from trading with this strategy. This is a live account, by the way. This is a live account, as you can see. The live account, and it is some great results. Some great results. I'm still testing it, but to show you the level of confidence that I have with it, I'm testing it on a live account. Right, I'm testing it on a live account so that you can actually see. So let's take a look at maybe at crash 1000. So you can see triple confirmation here. The buy setup was triple confirmed, and the only thing you do was to buy from this point. And as you can see, it went all the way up. This is a 5-minute time frame. You can use it even the 15-minute time frame. You still get the same setup, right? But what I urge you to do is wait for verified support and resistance, number 1. Then the other 2 confirmations, wait for them to be confirmed. Make sure you get the triple confirmation, right? Do not be in a hurry. Be patient. Patiently wait for all 3, and make sure the resistance that you get and the support that you get are verified support and resistance. Make sure they are verified. That's the only way you could actually beat the market maker, right? We can take a look at maybe the step index also, and you can see that as long as you get a triple confirmation, verified resistance with our red arrow, then we had our parabolic dots above the candlesticks. Nice sell. This is 1 hour time, and this is a lot of money because we have very over 76 pips. Just imagine, guys. And take profit levels will obviously be untested support and resistance, or weak support and resistance. So you get everything. You get your entry, you get your take profit levels, right? So that is all for this week. Until next time.